Let's light this candle. I agree.
Zwivers. Wow.
The vehicle. This is awesome. I'm getting really excited over here.
Corn Compound 1 at 2 hours 57 minutes. The crew has arrived at the pad on schedule.
There they are, taken in the sight, craning to see the top of the Falcon 9 rocket.
So it's a full
Corn Compound 1
on.
at T minus 2 hours and 46 minutes. The crew has arrived at the White Room. Its ingress is in progress on schedule.
And as they climb into Dragon, they will buckle themselves in and attach their umbilicals to their.
Fast forward it so you can actually see it taken off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug. America has launched. So rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream.